AC Designs.
And those folks who do live across Central Florida and even here across the First Coast are going to see some of that drought relief or just fire weather relief here, especially as we head into next week. Low rain chances for your weekend plans, but different story as we head into next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. A lot more rain and stormy weather on the way, but this weekend, really, all you have to be worried about is just the intense heat out there. Maybe just lounging out by the pool tomorrow. Make sure you put that beach umbrella up. Try to stay in the shade, stay hydrated. Temperature is going to be in the mid 90s. Real field temperatures, though, anywhere from about 100 to 105 degrees. And pretty much everyone across the First Coast is going to be stuck in the 90s. Just slightly cooler out there along the beaches, low 90s, but 97 is the high in Jacksonville, 98 in Folkestone, 98 in McClenny as your high tomorrow. So again, very, very steamy weather. And the only chance for maybe a few isolated sea breeze convergence showers are going to be across our far southern areas. So southern St. Johns County, Flagler, and Putnam, pretty much the exact same area that we've watched the last 2 evenings. That's your only chance to potentially see 1 or 2 isolated rumbles of thunder or a quick shower, but really we're only expecting about a 5 to 10% chance of rain. So good news if you have any plans out there tomorrow night, or if you're heading down to the AMP in St. Augustine. Billy Currington concert, again, only about a 10% chance of rain. Temperature-wise, we're going to be cooling out of the 90s into the upper 80s by that time that concert starts, and then eventually down into the upper 70s. Not nearly as muggy tomorrow, so should overall be a pretty nice summer night here for early June. Now, looking ahead to Sunday, similar story. Temperatures in the morning going to be in the low 70s. We rapidly warm up then into the upper 90s. So, folks, this is definitely going to be the warmest weekend of the year here so far across the First Coast. Real field temperatures right back up to about 105 degrees, and really not all that much of a change on the way for Monday either, besides a chance for a little bit of an increase in some rain and thunderstorm activity, about a 40% chance or 40% coverage area for the First Coast. And that's because we're watching the Caribbean, okay? There's been hints of maybe some sort of tropical system trying to develop. We do not expect that to happen right now. What is more likely, though, is we're just going to see this entire huge plume of tropical moisture come right up across Florida, bringing with it much better chances for scattered to widespread rain and storms through the middle to even the end of next week. And you're going to notice the highest rain totals will pretty much be from Tampa down to Key West and over even into Fort Myers, Miami. Although the First Coast still could pick up 1, 2, even 3 to 4 inches of rain locally in some spots, depending on where some of those heavier downpours do happen to set up once this whole kind of tropical moisture plume does work its way towards us. So much rainier next week, also going to be incredibly humid. Only good news, we're going to be dropping out of the upper 90s back down to near 90 for Tuesday, upper 80s through the latter half of next week. But again, 80 to 70% chance of rain there nearly every single day starting on Tuesday and continuing then through next Friday.
Thank you, Ross. Right now